ఎందరో మహానుభావులు అందరికీ వందనములు. Today let us explore a Tyagaraja's Kriti Bantu Riti Koluvu Iyavayya Rama. In this Kriti, Tyagaraja is asking Rama to give him a bodyguard position in his court, and he is describing the qualities he has and how they match up to that job requirement. Let us explore Pallavi Anupallavi Charanam little bit more in detail. Pallavi Bantu Riti Koluvu Iyavayya Rama. Bantu, servant, bodyguard, Riti, in the manner of, like, Koluvu, job, position in court. Iyavayya Rama, give it, O Rama. The total meaning of the Pallavi: O Rama, grant me the position of a servant in your court. Anupallavi తుంట వింటివాని మొదలైన మదాదుల గొట్టి నేల గూలజేయు నిజ. తుంట వింటివాని, one associated with sugarcane bow, referring to Manmatha, the god of love, symbolizing lust. మొదలైన, beginning with. మదాదుల గొట్టి, striking down or destroying pride and the rest. The six enemies, Arishadvargas: Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada, Matsarya. Nela Gula Jeyu, bringing down to the ground, subduing. Nija, true, real. The total meaning: O Rama, grant me the job of a true servant, one who destroys and subdues lust and the rest of the six enemies such as pride, etc. Charanam. రోమాంచమను ఘనకంచుకము రామభక్తుడను ముద్రబిళ్ళయు రామనామమను వరఖడ్గమివి రాజిల్లునయ్య త్యాగరాజునికి. రోమాంచమను, that which is called goosebumps. Out of happiness on meditating upon Rama, he has that kind of sattvic expression, and out of which naturally he obtains goosebumps. Ghana Kanchukamu, a grand armor. Rama Bhaktudanu, as a devotee of Rama. Mudra Billayu, stamped badge. Rama Namamanu, the name of Rama. Varakhadgam, supreme sword. Ivi, these. Rajillunaya, shine forth, befit, suit. Tyagarajanike, to Tyagaraja alone. The total meaning of the Charanam: the grand armor called goosebumps, the stamped badge saying devotee of Rama, and the supreme sword, that is Rama's name. These all shine upon and befit only Tyagaraja. So, O Rama, grant me the role of a bodyguard in your court. So, he is justifying the qualities that he possesses to match up with that role of being Rama's bodyguard. Thank you for listening to me. If you have any suggestions or questions, please let me know. Yours truly, Sumalata.